So today I want to talk to you about something that came up quite a bit last week. So whenever something comes up a lot in a week, I'm like, oh my goodness, we need to talk about this. So today I want to talk to you about VA income and when we can actually use it as a lender and how not to end up in a bad position. So I talked to a wonderful gentleman last week. He was so nice. His wife was so nice. They were so lovely and they were in a horrible position. And the position was they were supposed to close on a house and were told 2 days before closing by the lender that, oh shoot, I can't get the loan. The reason the lender couldn't get the loan is because the borrower's VA disability had not come through yet, okay? Now the borrower had told the lender from day one, hey, I'm supposed to get this rating, but I don't have it yet, it's in process, but it can take some time. And the lender, who was also, a former service member, you told him, no problem, don't worry, it will be okay. It wasn't okay. It wasn't okay in any way, shape, or form. Here's why. Underwriters cannot use income unless we have documented proof of the income and that it's going to be received. Period. I understand that with the military that there's lots of online calculators and it's like, well, they told me I'm going to get this rating, so I'll get this much. We cannot use the online calculators, period. We can't use them in the loan. We have to have the actual documentation. And, another lender may say, oh yeah, don't worry, because they don't get that, hey, sometimes this stuff takes a really long time and there's no guarantee it's going to happen in any time period. Or maybe they know that, but they just don't care and they're willing to risk it because they'll make money off of you. I don't know. I don't know why lenders do those sorts of things. Personally, if someone says to me, hey, I don't have it yet, I say, call me when you have it. And it's not because I'm trying to be mean or harsh, but if I did a pre-approval based on you getting something you don't have, I'm not really pre-approving you. I'm telling you that maybe this will work, but I need to see it once again. So what is the point? And some people are like, well, I just want to know my numbers. I just want to know. Okay, here's the problem with me saying, yes, you'll qualify for 200 once you get this. The moment that comes off my lips, you guys will be shopping. You will. I would be shopping. I would be like, she said 200. You're going to forget everything I said about you need that paper. I need to know when you're going to receive it. You're going to forget that all. And then you're going to call me in a week and you're going to be in contract. So it's very important that until you have the documentation showing exactly what you're getting and it's official, 100% official, guys, do not start shopping. Shop once it's ready to go, okay? And then one more thing I have to bring up with that, with the whole VA disability card. And look, this can go for VA pension, retirement income, everything. It's like, yes, the calculators are online. Underwriters can't use that to qualify. Remember that. But the thing with the disability that's important is if you are getting a certain amount of disability right now and you know it's getting cut back, you need to tell me. Because if I pre-approve you at that higher amount and then you get in contract and I find out that you have a lower amount now, because I always find out. Like I don't look for this stuff. We have to. We always find out. Then it's like, oh my God, you may not qualify. So be honest upfront with your lender. If you're doing an online application with an online lender and you're like, well, I'm supposed to get $2,000 and you put in $2,000 and they pre-approve you, they don't know that you're not actually getting that yet. So unless you guys have the conversation like I just had with myself in the camera, you're not having that conversation. So it's really important. Do not get pre-qualified. Do not start shopping until the income is 100% official, documentable, and we know when it's going to be deposited. So I hope this helps. I hope this saves other people from, being in situations where they've given notice and they now have nowhere to stay and they paid thousands of dollars in inspections and appraisals. Guys, I want you to be able to trust lenders, but there's certain, you can't. You got to do your own research. You've got to make sure that you know what you're doing because there's far too many lenders that don't know about it, or they're just going to throw it up against a wall to see if it sticks. And you don't want your money and your future being thrown up against a wall like a pasta noodle. Okay? So thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful.